Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. Here is August 2, 2024's pre-IPO stock update. Cerebras Systems, a semiconductor company focused on AI, is targeting an IPO launch as soon as October. The company has Enlisted Barclays and Citigroup as lead banks and has confidentially filed with the SEC. Cerebras has achieved a $4 billion valuation in its 2021 funding round, led by Alpha Wave Ventures, Abu Dhabi Growth Fund, and G42. Has raised $250 million in the Series F round. The AI firm may seek a valuation above the $4.3 billion in its IPO. As of this year, U.S. IPOs have raised nearly $30 billion, more than double the volume of the same period in 2023. Cerebras Flagship Systems, CS3, is designed for AI workloads and is used by corporations, research institutions, and governments. Cerebras has a $5.4 billion secondary market valuation. That's 26% above its November 2021 round. OpenAI, the AI large language company, started rolling out ChatGPT's advanced voice mode on Tuesday, initially available to a small group of ChatGPT Plus users with a full rollout plan for fall of 2024. This feature, part of ChatGPT 4.0, offers hyper-realistic audio responses resembling human voice intonations. Advanced voice mode uses GPT 4.0's multimodal capabilities for lower latency, emotional recognition, and improved safety measures, tested by over 100 external red teamers speaking 45 languages. The mode features 4 preset voices and includes filters to prevent misuse. OpenAI has a $105 billion secondary market valuation. That's 22% versus its April 2024 round. Harvey, an AI startup for lawyers, raised $100 million in a Series C round led by Google Ventures, bringing its total funding to $206 million and it's valuated at $1.5 billion. Harvey plans to use the funds to enhance its AI models and expand services. Harvey, powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT 4, can answer legal questions, extract trial transcript information, and draft filings despite concerns over data sensitivity and model accuracy. Harvey is used daily by tens of thousands of lawyers, including those at Allen & Overy and PwC. Its annual recurring revenue and workforce have tripled since December. The new round is 107% versus its December 2023 round. Not bad for a return over a 7-month period. For what it's worth, I think we're going to have a few of these platforms like OpenAI, Anthropic, XAI, etc., maybe Google or Microsoft. And then we're going to have these applications. Harvey is an application that sits on top of these AI platforms. And it's going to be, I think we're going to see a lot of these. And there's some really interesting investment opportunities in these application layers, in my opinion. Canva, the graphic design tech company, has acquired Leonardo.ai, a generative AI content and research startup founded in 2022 to enhance its AI tech stack. The deal, comprising cash and stock, will see all 120 Leonardo.ai employees, including the executive team, join Canva. Leonardo.ai, which has over 19 million registered users, has generated over 1 billion images and will continue to operate independently, focusing on rapid innovation and R&D while leveraging Canva's resources to expand its API business and foundational model R&D. The acquisition aligns with Canva's strategy to bolster its AI-powered tools, contributing to Canva's Magic Studio suite and its broader goal of building a comprehensive visual AI offering. Canva, founded in 2012, has raised over $560 million and boasts a $26 billion valuation with close to $2 billion in revenue and 180 million monthly users worldwide. That valuation was their primary round. The company's secondary market valuation is $28.4 billion today. Ramp, a business focused on fintech, leverages data, machine learning, and AI to streamline financial processes for over 25,000 businesses. As stated by Ramp CEO Eric Gleiman, Ramp's customers include Shopify and Boys and Girls Club of America. Shopify is a great client. Integrating its business expense management tools directly with credit card transactions, Ramp simplifies processes for users, saving companies an average of 5% on expenses. That's a lot. Its AI capabilities include OCR for receipt matching, that's scanning a receipt with your phone, real-time fraud detection, and the Ramp Intelligence Suite, It's a comprehensive set of tools and features designed to enhance financial decision-making and streamline expense management for businesses, like automated insights, spend optimization suggestions, and automatic expense categorization. Sounds like a finance team's dream, if you ask me. Ramp has an internal, quote-unquote, applied AI team that focuses on ongoing optimization and productivity across sales, marketing, and customer support functions. Eric Glyman, the CEO, talked about the big gains that they were making there and how they're differentiating themselves from competitors. Founded in 2019, Ramp has tripled both its annual recurring revenue and workforce since December. Ramp has an $8.8 billion secondary market valuation that's up 15% versus its April 2024 round. The Air Force has awarded contracts to 5 undisclosed companies that developed the autonomy system for its uncrewed collaborative combat aircraft, or CCA, fleet, which is aiming to field at least 1,000 CCAs by late 2030s. Anduril, the tech-focused defense contractor, was selected in April to build prototypes for the first increment of the air vehicle, with production contracts expected by 2026. I have to imagine that Anduril won one of these 5 spots from the Air Force. The CCA fleet will perform strike, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare missions, acting as drone wingmen to crewed fighters like the F-35. That's pretty cool. The program involves a robust consortium of vendors, including potential international partners, with future increments to be defined and contracted by 2025. Anduril has a $15.5 billion secondary market valuation that's up 11% versus its May 2024 round. Airtable, a productivity SaaS company, announced the acquisition of Dopt, a startup specializing in product onboarding experiences to enhance its AI capabilities. The acquisition, which closed last month, will see Dopt wind down its services on August 15, and its team joining Airtable's AI group. Dopt, which introduced AI-based assistance tools earlier this year, previously raised a $5.1 million seed round in 2022 from Unusual Ventures designer fund, and several angels. This move aligns with Airtable's AI strategy, highlighted by the recent launch of Airtable Co-Builder, allowing users to create apps via a chat interface. Airtable experienced rapid growth during the early COVID pandemic and continues to focus on strategic AI investments. The company has a $3.5 billion secondary market valuation that's down 70% from its December 2021 round. All right, let's look at pre-IPO stock performance as of July 29, 2024. Up this week, we got Sync up 80.2%. That is not an error. The secondary market really picked up for these folks recently, especially post CloudStrike, and there's a lot more activity out there. So some big up marks for the company. Notion's up 13.2%, Revolut's up 8.1%, Airtable's up 6.9%, and Plaid's up 5.2%. Down this week, Hugging Face is down 16.1%, Grok's down 10.4%, Cohere is down 5.6%, Klarna's down 3.5%, and ByteDance is down 2.5%. Top valuations for the week: ByteDance is $286 billion, SpaceX is at $210, OpenAI is at $105, Stripe's at $70, Databricks at $44. See more current valuation and revenue multiples and performance data at agdillon.com/reports. All right, let's look at performance for the AG Dillon pre-IPO stock vintage index as of July 29, 2024. 2024 vintage index top contributor since inception. That's just the beginning of this year, January 1st. Revolut's up 167%. Rippling's up 116%. Anduril's up 57%. Klarna's up 40%. And Epic Games up 34%. There's no detractors in the 2024 vintage index. All 10 stocks are positive. Key metric averages for all vintage indexes 5 years old or older. 450% cumulative return since inception. 60% realized or kind of distributed to investors out of that 450. Here's the hardcore venture numbers: 5.5%, or excuse me, 5.5x TVPI, 3.31 DPI, and 2.18 RVPI. 4.1 years to quote unquote return fund. To see summary and annual vintage specific data and fact sheets for AG Dillon pre-IPO stock vintage indexes, please visit agdillon.com/index. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you guys next week.